enthusiasts, to another episode of Future Phone Flash. Today we're diving into the revolutionary world of augmented and virtual reality with the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro. This spatial computing device is set to redefine how we interact with digital content and our surroundings. Join us as we explore its groundbreaking features, capabilities, and the future it promises. Capacity and display. Let's start with the basics. The Apple Vision Pro comes in three storage options: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and a whopping 1 TB. Its display boasts an impressive 23 million pixels, utilizing a state-of-the-art micro OLED technology with a 3D display system. With a 7.5 micron pixel pitch and support for refresh rates up to 100 Hz, the Vision Pro offers unparalleled clarity and fluidity. Chips and performance. Powering this marvel is the Apple M2 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. Additionally, the Apple R1 chip ensures minimal latency and high-speed performance, making every interaction seamless and responsive. Camera and sensors. Equipped with a stereoscopic 3D main camera system and an array of sensors, including LiDAR scanner and true-depth camera, the Vision Pro captures the world in stunning detail. Its spatial photo and video capabilities redefine visual storytelling, while advanced biometric authentication ensures security and privacy. Audio and connectivity. Immerse yourself in spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, supported by a 6-microphone array for crystal clear sound. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, the Vision Pro seamlessly integrates into your digital ecosystem. Operating system and input. Running on Visionos, Apple's dedicated operating system for spatial computing, the Vision Pro offers intuitive control through hands, eyes, and voice commands. Supported input accessories include keyboards, trackpads, and game controllers, providing versatility and ease of use. Accessibility and built-in apps. Accessibility features empower users of all abilities to unlock the full potential of the Vision Pro, while a suite of built-in apps caters to every need, from productivity to entertainment. Environmental impact and sustainability. Apple's commitment to sustainability shines through in the design and production of the Vision Pro, incorporating recycled materials and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Design and comfort. Combining sleek aesthetics with ergonomic design, the Vision Pro offers a comfortable fit for extended use. Customizable light seals and headbands ensure a personalized experience for every user. Experience and content. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds, collaborating with colleagues, or enjoying immersive entertainment, the Vision Pro delivers an unparalleled experience. With a diverse range of apps and games optimized for spatial computing, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro represents a leap forward in spatial computing, blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. As we embrace this new era of technology, we invite you to join us on this journey of innovation and exploration. That's all for today's episode of Future Phone Flash. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.